In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks within subtasks in Asana. This is a handy feature for anyone looking to break down tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces, which in turn can help you streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive into the process, step by step, to ensure you have a clear understanding of how it's done. First things first, ours first. Let's get started by navigating to your Asana workspace. Once you're there, locate the task that already has a subtask attached to it. You should see this in your project list or within the appropriate section of your board. Click on this task to open its details panel. Opening the details panel is like peeking under the hood of a car. It reveals everything you need to conduct a deeper dive into your project's intricacies. Now, once you have the details panel open, scroll down until you reach the subtask section. This is the area where all your current subtasks are listed. Think of it as a dedicated space that Asana provides for breaking down your main task into bite-sized, actionable pieces. This section is particularly useful when you need to assign distinct responsibilities, deadlines, or effort to different components of a larger task. Next, here's the clever part. As you hover your mouse over each subtask, you'll notice a small career icon appear, pointing to the right. This icon is your gateway to the subtasks of this subtask. Go ahead and click on that little arrow. Clicking will expand the subtask details, revealing yet another layer where you can add another subtask. It's quite reminiscent of the classic nesting doll concept, where each doll contains another within it. This tool is incredibly useful for adding more depth and detail to your projects. Once you expand the subtask, you can add another subtask within this new layer. This functionality is particularly beneficial when you have complex projects that require several levels of task breakdown, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Simply locate the option to add subtask, click it, and just like that, you've created a subtask within a subtask. You can continue this nesting process as much as necessary for your project management requirements. And just like that, you're all done. By following these instructions, you've successfully learned how to create subtasks within subtasks, improving how you organize and manage your projects on Asana. This feature brings a great deal of flexibility and granularity to your task management, allowing you and your team to tackle projects with enhanced clarity and efficiency. Utilize this feature whenever you need to dissect complex tasks, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. Thank you for tuning in, and happy task breaking!